Welcome back to our channel, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of spider plants. Join us as we delve into everything you need to know about caring for and propagating these resilient beauties. Unveiling spider plants. Meet Chlorophytum comosum, the spider plant, native to southern Africa. Learn about its distinctive features, including its cascading foliage adorned with tiny spiderets, earning it its intriguing name. Harnessing spider plant benefits. Discover the hidden superpowers of spider plants as natural air purifiers. We'll explore how these green wonders combat indoor pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene, promoting cleaner, fresher air in your home. Nurturing spider plants. Dive into the essentials of spider plant care. From lighting preferences to watering techniques, we'll guide you through creating an optimal environment for your green companions. Uncover the secrets of soil selection and the art of fertilizing for lush, thriving growth. Mastering spider plant propagation. Unlock the secrets of spider plant propagation. We'll walk you through various methods, from division to harvesting and potting up spiderets and rooting stem cuttings. With our expert tips, you'll soon be expanding your spider plant collection effortlessly. Troubleshooting common issues. Navigate common spider plant challenges like a pro. From leaf discoloration to pest infestations, we've got you covered with practical solutions to keep your plants healthy and vibrant. Congratulations, you're now a spider plant aficionado. Armed with knowledge and expertise, you're ready to cultivate and propagate these captivating plants with confidence. Share your spider plant success stories with us, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant-filled adventures. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful plant content. Connect with us on social media for additional tips and community engagement. Until next time, happy planting!